So these are Ford vents, and you can change them out. So this one's broken, and then see how what doesn't, it breaks. So we ordered these new ones. This is a Ford F150 2014 6-cylinder. I guess it really doesn't matter. So this pulls out. Alright. How did you do that?
No, you got to use man strength, just like that. Just reach in, grab it. Since it's broken, you're not recovering. Oh, you did it!
There it came. So here's the old one, and then so there's two. You always want to clean it out too. How gross is that? Ew.
Should we just replace the other two while we're at it, since you bought a pack of 4?
Oh yeah, that's another thing. So they had a pack of 2 or a pack of 4, and it was cheaper to get a pack of 4 for $40.
No, it was $28 for 2 or $32 for 4.
For 4.
So you get all 4 for
so
an extra $4.
2 grooves will go into the 2 grooves here. If you can see them.
Well, that's pretty good, Leah. You were able to pull that one out all by yourself.
I did.
That's not us. See how it's short?
These two.
Here, this is short, and the top is short.
That's right. I didn't mess that up.
Well, you can put it on upside down is what you can do.
There. And it's in.
Should you fix these, Leah, or not?
Yes, let me see. Yeah.
Well, they're not broken yet. They work. Just hold on to the other ones, right?
You sure? Because look how dirty. Maybe I can just clean them. Yeah,
There's a new one that was just put in.
Yeah. This is a really good deal. And you know, I'm glad they make it easy to do.
You did a good job.
Yeah, thank you.
So how hard was that to pull out?
Not hard at all.
Not hard? You just...
I just pulled it. So you just have to have force, really, and you just lift it out.
it's
It was
force.
not hard at all.
Uh-huh.
And see, look at how...
Well, the other
This
one's
one
even
was
worse.
broken,
It's
yeah.
gotten brittle is what's happened in the
Yeah.
sun, and then they fall apart, you know,
And over time...
over time, yeah. So one has a loose flap, and the other one's just all the way broken.
One was all the way. And that, it happened, it just broke off. I didn't do anything, but, you know.
Well, hold on to the other two then, and for when these break, you'll be able to do it yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so that's easy. Anybody can do it. Again, so we have 2 left over. I'm going to put, we also got a set of lights for it. But the lights we don't need to do, so. Yes, like and subscribe.